Today I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking down larger projects into smaller, more manageable tasks, giving you better control over your workflow and helping your team understand the project hierarchy at a glance. First, open your web browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage where you can see all your existing files and projects. From your homepage, browse through your existing files and select the one where you want to add subtasks. Go ahead and click on it to open that particular sheet. This will bring up your project with all its current rows and columns visible. For this tutorial, let me show you a practical example. Let's say I have a main task called website development, and I want to break this down into smaller subtasks to better organize the workflow. To do this, I'll add new rows directly below the website development task. In the rows below website development, I'll input my subtasks one by one. For instance, I'll type design UI in the first row beneath it, then develop front in the next row, and finally develop backend in the third row. These represent the individual components that make up the larger website development task. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you've entered all your subtasks, you need to tell Smartsheet that these are child rows of the main task. To do this, highlight all the subtasks you just created by clicking and dragging over them. With these rows selected, look for the option that says Make Child Rows and click on it. You'll typically find this in the toolbar or by right-clicking on the selected rows. After clicking Make Child Rows, you'll notice an immediate visual change. The subtasks will now appear indented beneath the website development task, clearly showing their hierarchical relationship. This indentation makes it obvious that Design UI, Develop Front End, and Develop Backend are all components of the larger website development project, creating a clean, organized structure that's easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully added and organized subtasks in Smartsheet, making your project management much more structured and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.